What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's very early in the morning, Monday, so I'm tarmacking, looking for a job. Now I'm at Theta Hotel, and guys, it's not easy. But all in all, the place is beautiful. That's one thing I can just acknowledge and even credit. Yeah, man. Uh, very beautiful. Yes, this is how it looks like. So if you have Kamrambo and you want to bring her out for a date, then check out this is the place, you know. And I hope you will enjoy. And I've seen they have all the things. Like it's like you can say it's like self-contained, Like it has everything you can imagine. Kids place, pedicure, money, all those things you can imagine. Car wash and all those things. It's called Third Hotel, So let's go to the next place and see what we're going to have. So today I will go to the opposite. But then I want to go. We will actually go to the even the opposite side of it and see how it looks like. Yeah, man.